right, so you want to get a little bit deeper in Real Geeks and how to do more searching with the map search for your clients. We are here for you there. So let's jump into the backside of Real Geeks. First of all, you're going to click on your client's name. I am doing it actually for myself, so we're going to go ahead and click on my name. And then we're going to jump in and add a Save Super Search. So we're going to log in as the user. All right, so now we're here. We're going to click on the map search. So when you use the map search is how you're actually going to be able to draw around a map to be able to see what's going on in a neighborhood based off of price, things like that. So I'm up here of the area I sort of want to look in. I'm going to zoom in to where I want to be, and then I am going to click and draw a map. So if I wanted to be in Kernersville city limit areas, I am sitting here, and then I've drawn a map around there. If you want to put in a price point, bedrooms and baths, things like that, go to Refine Search. So then we're going to go in here and do a limit of $250,000. And I don't want condos. And it's got to have at least 2 baths, and it's got to have 3 bedrooms. And I'm going to hit map search. Again, we're back here. We're going to go in and actually draw around the area we want to be in. This is all interactive. So if I move, it moves. The property addresses change whenever I move it. So this is an interactive map. All right, so I go into this area. I want to be in Kernersville. I can either draw a map around it right now, or I can just sort of see. Under 250, this is all I've got. That's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Now, if I want to save this for later, I'm going to click the map button. I'm going to draw around it. Let's just say I want to get an update for everything that's in this area. Click there. And then I'm going to hit Save the Search. I'm going to name it Kernersville. I know, creative. How often do I want it? So if you got a client who's in there, maybe they just want to be able to have that search saved. Daily, weekly, monthly, or never. All right, so I'm in here as a daily. All right, so now it's in your client's information as a saved daily search. All right, so if they want to see where their actual search is, you click on your profile right there and right there. It actually says it, but you can't see it because of the way my lettering is. There's my saved search. Now, if you go in to view it, edit it, whatnot, you can't. I know. It's a flaw in the system, but you can't. You got to go make a new one. The other thing that you'll see on this page is see the push notifications. The push notification means that it's going to go directly to their phone. So if they have an app or on their phone, they can get the push instantly. So if a new property comes up in that neighborhood, you can push it directly to them. So same thing like all the other big websites out there, Zillow, Realtor.com, Trulia, if you've got that map search. Okay, so that's how you're going to do a regular map search, polygon search, whatever you want to call it. Now, next, we're going to do a create save super search. The reason why we do this instead as a polygon is because we can get a lot more detailed for our clients. If you notice for pricing for the buyers, there is ranges that you can do. So it's like $250. Well, what if they're only at $225? They probably don't want to look at $250,000 houses. It probably pisses them off. So I might do $230 just to, make them feel a little bit better. But now I can actually narrow this down for them. I also can go straight back in, do the polygon again for whatever area they want to be in. Now this map is not interactive, so I can draw it out, click on it, and you'll see down here at the bottom, create search. There shows you how many is in the area. Now, if I want to add stuff and say, oh, that's way too many, I can add bedrooms, and I can say 3 bedrooms, create search. Okay, now I only have 2. So now I can use this search, say yes. So now I have a saved search right there. Again, you can't edit it. You can rename it. So I might name this one Davison County under 230K. Hit save. If they don't like it, delete it. The other thing that you can go do for somebody is while you're in here is say, hey, I went in, I logged in as you, made a search. I also favorited it a couple. So I hit the favorite button. That way, if something happens to these two properties, they're automatically going to get notifications off of that. They can go in and delete that. So I tell people, send them this way. Don't send them in the MLS. That way they stay on our Real Geeks website and not go wandering around looking for other properties. Any questions? Let me know.